Homestyle Cooking channel. It's a coffee break time. So today, I'm gonna show you how to make different kinds of donuts. It is a crispy donuts. And then my daughter will gonna show you how to make dalgona coffee. So it is really good combination for the coffee break. Dalgona coffee and crispy donuts. Alright, let's prepare now our donuts mixture. We need 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of yeast, instant yeast, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoonfuls of white sugar. Mix together and let's make hole on the center. Water. And I added 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. The texture of this dough is very soft. It's like pancakes consistency. And then we're gonna rest for about 45 minutes to 2 hours depending on the fermentation. And then for the glaze of donuts, you need 1 cup of white sugar, 1/2 cup of water, and then half lemon. Now you guys, if you don't have a lemon, you can use lime, you can use calamansi in Philippines. Alright, put on it. And then cinnamon. And then mix. And then we're gonna boil it. So now the syrup is boiling. We need to simmer it, become thick. So the lemon will infuse the flavor of the syrup and then the cinnamon. So the consistency will be like this. Done. So while we are resting our crispy donuts dough, my daughter now will demonstrate to you how to make quick dalgona coffee in her style. Alright, 1/4 cup of strong coffee, and then 1/4 cup of brown sugar. So 1:1 ratio, right? Same as water also, 1/4 cup of water. So you guys, this is good for 4 to 5 people, depending on how big is the glass. Now she will start for mixing. Ba't yung mukha mo parang tinatamad ka? You're something interesting.
Alam ko kasi naka-zoom eh.
So almost enough. Can check. Yeah, that's the correct consistency. Yeah, this is the correct, perfect consistency. Standing on the wire ridge.
Wow!
So now, it's ready for milk on the glass. Wow, it's really perfect, anak ko.
Excellent!
Wow. Then the other one.
Wow!
Alright, so done. This is how simple to make dalgona coffee in the house without mixer and blender. So if you guys, you want to make more nice decoration on top of it, the frosting, so we can use our pastry bag with 550.
thumbnail. Happy ka, girl.
This is now our dalgona coffee. So now our dough has been expanded. It's bubbling already, as you can see. So now we will start for deep frying our crispy donuts. I have baking bag or pastry bag here. You guys, you can use also by hands, but it's something messy, so I suggest to use pastry bag. And then our scissors. It's now done. Look at this. Then take it out. So while it's hot, so we have to soak in our syrup that we make. This is the syrup. It's browsing because of the syrup. Alright guys, this is now our crispy donuts. In Arabic, they call us laqmة. As you can see guys, it's nice to eat with chopstick for me. It's crunchy and then chewy inside. Believe me, you're gonna like it. Our dalgona coffee on it. So let's have a coffee break, guys. The sweetness of the donuts and bitterness of the coffee is really perfect combination.